Wagwan YouTube, Wagwan. We back with it. Today is a great day. I can't even explain. See, I can't even get the words out.
That
I cannot explain how great of a day it is. I feel like every single time I tell you guys that there's gonna be something great happening, you guys already know at this point. Well, if you've been watching, you do. If you're new, make sure you check out the other videos that I have, man. Look, man, we about to go up. This is just the beginning. I just got started. Shout out to my boy CB. Not gonna expose his name, but if you follow the Instagram and the socials, you know who he is. But we getting this thing going, man. Making big moves. So got nobody to thank but God. And nobody to thank but God. My family for being supportive of me, you know, doing this. Because Lord knows my parents are scared, but you know what? God is good, man. He's been too good. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day, and see you guys later. Whoa, yeah! Hey, Lil Uzi went crazy in 2017. I swear. Yeah, she dropped it slow. What? Yeah, neck on froze. Yeah, what? Diamonds are all on my teeth. Woo! Yes, sir, baby. Feels great today, boy. So apparently it's gonna rain this weekend. If it's not raining, I'm outside. I'm outside with it, baby. I'm outside. We outside. Oh yeah, bro. Finna go link up with one of my old friends. Get something to eat, have a good time. Haven't seen bro in a minute, man. So it's always good to reconnect with the people that are around you. Make sure you're staying in touch with the ones that you love, the ones you care about, the ones you consider friends. Like, tomorrow's promised to nobody, man. And I hope y'all are having a great week. I know it's just the beginning of the week so far, but I hope you guys are having a great one. Every day that you get is an opportunity to better yourself, whether that's through learning something new, trying out a new side hustle, creating content, like whatever it is, man. You never know what you could be good at. You never know what God could bless you with either. Because honestly, like, he's so amazing that it'd be the things that you don't expect. So hope you guys are having a great week though, staying safe. Obviously not like me. But yeah, man, should be a good rest of the week. Got a lot of work done already, and now about to go eat with a friend. A lot of people say though, I will say, one thing I have been seeing is a lot of people say that starting off with a 1,000cc motorcycle in Dallas is just not the move. I mean, these people do drive crazy, but I honestly haven't really had any crazy issues that I couldn't avoid. Like if it's stopping in time, if this car comes to a complete stop right now, having the time to be able to stop and not look all over the place and miss out on what's in front of me. Especially because, dude, the ground hurts. Like, this is not something that you want to feel. These are not pillows. There's no give. You fall down, it's bam. There's no movement at all. So just make sure you always are aware of your surroundings and how much time you have to stop, because you never know how much time you'll need. Like, why would I go blaring into traffic right now when all these cars are clearly about to stop? It's more of a common sense thing, especially from a new rider. Only advice I could give you is to use common sense, and a lot of people might lack that. Ask God for it, and he will give it to you. And you be more aware, like, bro, there's no reason for me to not have one accident. I mean, obviously God and my skill, but there's really no reason. I'm a new rider, and there's people that have like 5 bikes, bro, within a 2-year span. It's crazy. But I'm glad they're still here, man. We ride, we have a good time. Yes, I do ride fast, and some may say a little crazy, but it's always a fun time, and it's always good because God keeps us safe, so can't really complain at all. With that being said, you want to see a pool? Huh? You want to see a pool? I might give it to you. I'll make it ass nicely though. Woo. Yeah, we're going around that right now. good day. I hope these buses aren't exiting. One of them laps, just like a meat. Yeah, 100 bands on that. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, oh. Oh, I got balls. Oh, yeah. Okay, I don't. Obviously don't have lean bars. I need gas and I'm out here wilding. Oh man, look at this beautiful day. You would think it's cold. I mean, we're in December right now. I can only imagine the states that have snow. I'm sick for you guys, honestly. You guys can't even go outside and ride. If you ride in the snow, you're crazy. If you ride in the snow, you're a different animal. I would never. Ever, 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 never, never. The little mini city area is looking really good. Just had the baby washed. He's performing well, man. That's what I'm talking about. It's gonna be a great day, man. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold tonight. Today, man. My brush is still in my pocket. Surprisingly. I don't like the way he passed me. Hold up. My bad. I didn't like the way he passed me, bro. It got me a little tight. Like, look at that car right there, bro. You see that? That right there is dangerous, bro. Look at them. Let me see who it is. It is a very small old woman doing that nonsense, bro. Look, I ain't against the old women driving, dude, but you see what be happening? You see what happens? Just saying. Oh, I was tweaking. Let's go ahead and get down here real quick. Remind you, the bike just got washed. Dang, did I just get on the highway? Oh, okay, I was about to say. I swear I got on the exit. Yeah! You gonna need 3 promoters. God bless you, man. I ain't got no cash on me, bro. Damn, ain't nowhere to go. Man, let me get away from him. He might be on there. I'm feeling a little rich this week to influence my family to not be cheap. Yeah, I'm about to get gas. Pass gas. Yeah, this is getting copyrighted for sure. Oh man, that stuff is just so fun, bro. Riding a bike is fun. Like, there's no argument. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. Riding a bike is very fun, bro. There's nothing that compares to it, in my opinion. Absolutely nothing.